Today, Miss Fatima is showing off her credit card because she did some shopping over at Fortune Cookie Soap. Unfortunately, Fortune Cookie Soap has hit a bump in the road, as have many small businesses. So we are trying to support them in their endeavors, and we have their Valentine's box to show you. They did get it to us before Valentine's Day. My upload schedule was packed, so I'm just popping it in the lineup here. We are calling this the Sweet Frostings box. They called it the Kiss and Tell box. And it starts out with this adorable bath bomb shaped like a letter. I don't know if you can see the letter envelope flap with a little seal there. This is the Dirty Little Secret bath bomb. Oh my goodness. Anyone out there got any dirty little secrets? It's a one-time use. I'm not a big bath person, but what I will do with these, I'll break them up, and I have a basin that I like to, at the risk of TMI, soak my feet in before I do a pedicure. It's a nice, festive little thing, and I can tell from getting a sniff that it has a bit of a perfumey scent, but I can't nail down the specific perfume, and this box did not come with a card. I think they are getting away from sending cards with their boxes because that's an added expense. Next, we have a lip jelly that says, "Kiss me." Mwah! I hope you didn't leave lipstick on me. I took a little sniff, and this smells like vanilla. Oh, this is gonna be a fun one to use. Yes, this is gonna be a fun one to use. This is the Perfect Match Body Frosting, and as near as I can tell from looking at the label, it has scent of apricot and meadow fruit. I got a little sniff through the safety seal. It smells nice. Oh, goody. I like a good body frosting. And I know you don't eat the product. This is the Total Smoke Show Deep Conditioner. And I have used their deep conditioners before, and I really enjoy the formula. They have a good formula for the product. Now, this one has a different scent than others. To me, and I hate to say this, it smells like wet hair. And there's nothing on the ingredients to give me a specific enough, has argan oil in it. There's nothing on there to really give me the specific notes of this item. I'm gonna give it a try. It's worth a try. And it's a conditioner, so it rinses out. It's not like you're leaving it in all the time. Is this just not too stinking cute? These are wax tarts, but it came in a Chinese takeout box. How cute is that? It's too stinking cute. These are the Forget-Me-Not wax tarts, and they have a sweet scent. I was looking at my notes there. Again, they didn't give a card, and I don't fault them on that because they're trying to keep themselves running and keep cost down. Each wax tart is wrapped like a little chocolate heart. A quick look at the nitty gritty. This was a $50 special order box, so it's not available on the website, but they do have things in stock on their website, and you don't have to be a member of one of their subscription boxes in order to purchase from them. So go check them out, Fortune Cookie Soap. I have a link, but I don't know if it's viable at this time, but it will be in the description box in case you want to give it a go. They are doing their darndest to come back from this bump in the road as a small business. It happens. They're doing their darndest to maintain and come back and be viable again. So for us, this was a $50 box. By the time we paid for shipping, it was a little over $61. We got 5 full-size items. Yes, all of those were full size. I'm impressed. That would make each item a $10 item, and that's not a bad price. Yes, they have some very reasonable prices over there. I would go check them out. One thing though, as a heads up, they are moving a little slow in the shipping department. They have a great Facebook presence, so you might want to join up on their Facebook page. With that being said, we hope you enjoyed today's video. We're certainly going to enjoy these products. Like, comment, subscribe to our channel, because that's free. Notification bell, all that fun stuff. Did you have a favorite? We forgot to ask. I think we forgot to ask. I don't remember. I think we're filming too many videos at once. Anyway, thank you for watching. We hope to see you in another video. Yeah. And go check out Fortune Cookie Soap if you are able to do so. Please shop responsibly.